What's good, guys? Blind Dave here. So, with all the construction bit on this rental property, I needed tenants' vehicles moved to bring the big guns in. So, I was just going to push that vehicle there out of this driveway. But so gate, fence, everything's out. But anyway, this vehicle here has flat tires, brakes were seized. So yeah, the blind dude grabs a truck, hooks a tow chain to it. I towed it out to there. I didn't feel comfortable moving it any further. I mean, I'm not supposed to be moving vehicles anyway, but I did what I had to do. But their other vehicle, I just had them park it over here. So yeah, I can't bring garbage and stuff out to the curb yet, so evidently there's some sort of an ordinance here. So I guess I can be fined for leaving trash out at the curb. So anyway, just needed vehicles moved so that way they can run big machinery in on both sides. So, and then this is going to be another challenge. So yeah, this side's clear too. I just gotta finish up with the hoses, and I got a few things to clean out, planters and whatnot. But yeah, neighbors next door to me have a, what is that, spacewalk business? That's just one. They have several, and they have stuff tied up along this entire fence. And the fence is coming out too. So anyway, just a little update. About to run this load here to the dump. Then my truck will be at Mother Dearest's house and out of here. So anyway, little update. I'm only getting about 4 hours of sleep every night. So just going through stuff and pitching it. And tripping over shit. But anyway, just a little update. Y'all be cool. Later.